What's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, the weekend has arrived. All we gotta do, people, is get through Friday and it's on. Now, my man SzaZs always gets down on these digital watch faces, and he's pretty much almost like the master of digital time. This one is nice, but today we got the blending of two different times. One is analog and the other one is going to be digital, which is a nice look. The name of the watch face is called Active Hybrid, and again, I thought my man really got down on this one. I like the look. I love the layout of all the information, and everything is legible. Now let's take a look around real quick. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gears 3. The Gears 2 is going to look slightly different, but the color theme on both of them looks beautiful in the AOD mode. Now, once the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. You get analog time, right? I like the way the hands lights up. I like the premium look of that second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. And you're also going to get your digital time down at the bottom. Now, up at the top, you are going to get the name of the developer, but you also are going to get your step information, which is important to a lot of people. You're going to get your heart rate, going to get floors climbed over here. You're going to get your date information, like the day of the week, the day, and also you're going to get the month. But I like the way it's sitting over there too as well. Down at the bottom is going to be your digital time, people, and right here is going to be your battery percentage. So I thought this was a good look for a digital watch face / analog. Now we can customize the color theme. I know you've been waiting on that one, right? And if I double tap right here, I can change the look of what's going around the bezel of the watch, which looks awesome. You got several colors that you could tap into. Now this white and black, this is going to allow you to get super casual with this watch face, which is nice, especially considering that it is an analog watch face. But again, you got many different colors to tap into. And also, if I tap down here, I can change the look some more. So I thought this was pretty nice. Right here, you could change the color of the inside information, and double tap again. I want to cycle through a couple of them. I thought this was definitely a good look. My man is definitely doing this thing with this watch face. Now, we're not done yet, right? Check this out. If I double tap right here, I can take away and hide the information if I so choose. So if I want to change the look and the theme of the watch face, all I got to do is double tap right there, and there it is. I like this look a lot better where it just has the date information and also the digital time. But if you want it back, just double tap and it will come back for you. So what do you think, people? I'm going to tell you, I think it's worth the download. Jackie, hit me. Jonathan, you got to let me know. And Adrian, would you play this one? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.